LearnDash has a number of course access modes, and what these are restrictions on who can and can't see your courses. So let's take a look at these now. I'm on a standard LearnDash course here, and if I go to Edit Course, and then look at Settings, here is the access mode that we can set on this course. So if we had this as open, this would be not protected at all, as in anyone could access the course, whether they are logged in or not, or whether they've bought it or not. So it would be a free for anyone to access that course. If we choose this to free, it means that the course is only accessible to people who have registered and enrolled on your platform, but it would be free, so they don't have to actually enroll onto it. It would be available to them as soon as they register. Buy Now adds an option to add a course price, and you can add a URL that happens when they actually buy that course, and that would mean that people have to pay via your chosen payment gateway to be able to access that course. Recurring allows you to link the course with PayPal or Stripe and set a recurring billing cycle so that people get access to the course for as long as they keep paying for it. And you can set here how often people get billed. So it might be, every 2 weeks, for example, and you can set the price that's billed to the user each time. The last one is closed, which means the course is by default closed and people have to be enrolled into it either manually or by a group, or perhaps if you have an integration with something like WooCommerce, this would be what you'd set it for, so that when people buy that product in WooCommerce, then they get access to the course that way.